The world has changed financially. You must be prepared for those changes. Consider that many of your expenses will keep increasing in cost. Imagine for a moment that your income suddenly ended without warning, as it often does to people. Without a primary income source, how would you survive financially? How would you pay for your mortgage? Where would the money for your children's education come from? Where would you get the money to pay for your utilities, for gas, for food, for your lifestyle, not just for today, but forever? The truth of the matter is, losing your income can be devastating and depleting for your family and you. Unless you're debt-free and independently wealthy, you simply cannot survive without an ongoing income stream. Would you agree? It's that simple and that important. Protect yourself financially against losing your income in the event you're unable to work for a period of time or forever. There is a way to continue receiving money each and every month to support your lifestyle, your obligations, your dreams, your wishes, and your desires throughout your entire life until the day you die. Through a properly set up disability plan and the right individual to assist you at claim time. Over your lifetime, your income allows you to accumulate a number of things and attract certain obligations like your home, your mortgage, a cottage, education for your children, and a retirement fund. In short, your financial obligations. As you acquire each of these things, you will be financially protecting yourself against the possibility of financial loss. But if you're like most people, you've probably failed to protect your greatest asset of all, your ability to earn an income. Think about that for a moment. Everything you have is a direct result of the income you earn. But if something were to happen to you and your income stream stopped today for a long period of time, or even forever, how long would you be able to survive financially without the cash flow? Where would your mortgage payments come from? How would you make your car payments? Where would you get money for food, clothing, and utilities? What would happen to your children's education money? What kind of retirement would you and your spouse have? How would your lifestyle change? Without any other sources of income, you would have to cash out some of your RRSPs, dip into your savings account, refinance your home, or sell off some of your other assets just to get by. But what happens when those assets are gone? Who would take care of you financially? Who would take care of your family financially? You see, your ability to work not only encompasses your ongoing income, but also all the income you will earn in a lifetime. For example, a 40-year-old person who makes $120,000 per year and plans to receive 5% pay increases each year until retiring at the age of 65 will earn $5,727,252 over the balance of his or her working years. That's a lot of money. Would you agree? If that income stream ceases for a period of time, the financial consequences will be disastrous. Perhaps you're thinking it's highly unlikely that you could become disabled for 90 days or more during your working years. If so, you'd better think again. Disabilities don't just happen to other people. Statistically, 1 out of every 3 people will become disabled at some time during their lifetime. 1 in 5 people will be disabled for more than a year, and most people who are disabled for a year are generally disabled forever. You do not have to be totally disabled to go on claim, as long as your plan has been set up properly. In fact, statistics show that people are almost twice as likely to become disabled as they are to die during their working years. Ironically, more people insure themselves against death than disability, even though disability is twice as likely to occur. That's not logical. Why expose yourself to something that's statistically twice as likely to occur and financially more devastating? The reason that disability is so much more likely to occur is that disabilities encompass both accidents and sickness. Not the kind of sickness you're probably thinking of, such as heart disease or strokes. Some major causes of disability today are mental illnesses, nervous breakdowns, stress, drug abuse, arthritis, cancer, lung disorders, manic depression, marriage counseling, and liver disorders. Listen, nobody likes to think that bad things can happen to them, but they can and do. Wouldn't you rather be rest assured knowing you and your family are prepared financially in the event something unfortunate does happen? You insure your home. You insure your debt. You insure your children's education. You insure your investment properties. And you even insure your life to protect your family financially in the event of your untimely death. Shouldn't you also insure your income in the event that you become physically, mentally, or emotionally unable to work? Isn't this the greatest financial loss? The correct disability insurance plan can and will bring peace of mind by contractually guaranteeing continued ongoing cash flow for your entire life. Not just to age 65 like most group or association plans offer, because not all disability plans work alike, particularly at claim time. Did you know that? Your disability plan must be carefully constructed to ensure you receive the correct monthly benefit at claim time. A wrong plan design will either not pay or will kick you off claim at a time when you're most vulnerable. It's not the price of the plan that matters, but whether a plan will pay a claim when needed and for how long. You must ask the following questions when setting up your disability plan. How long will a plan financially pay without interruption? How long will you have to wait for a claim to start paying? Can you increase your plan dollars while on claim? Can you increase your monthly benefits on a guaranteed basis while you are ill but still working? Will your group plan kick you off a partial or permanent claim within a 10-year period like most group plans or association plans do? The bottom line is, you need an expert to help interpret which disability insurance policy is best for you. An expert like Larry Kleinmans with LIK and Associates Inc. will have your answers. Larry is a professional. He will set up a disability plan to pay claims for a lifetime. This will enable you to enjoy your chosen lifestyle forever. As an expert, he can help you navigate through the various alternatives, clarifying everything in simple terms so you end up with the best plan at claim time. Isn't it the claim that matters? After all, having a disability plan that won't pay you when you need it most doesn't do you any good. Larry will make sure that won't happen. He'll design the right disability plan and illustrate how to get paid throughout the duration of your disability, even for the rest of your life. Don't wait another minute. Don't assume that a disability won't happen to you. Don't put your financial future at risk. Protect yourself and your family. Call Larry at 905-771-9500, extension 308, or email him at lik@wealthstrategist.net for a no-obligation personal consultation today.